Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferd from MarineMax, and this is the 2023 Sailfish 290 center console. Here we are at the helm. You have a beautiful dash, twin Garmin displays, fusion stereo, and your Mercury vessel view. Glove box for some storage, overhead glove box, and of course the tackle center on top of the dash. PFD overhead. Dedicated location for outriggers if you so choose. This boat does have tilt wheel and Bennett trim tabs. This is for power steering. As we come forward, you have your head compartment. You'll see those in the photos. Beautiful hard top. And up here at the bow, two rod holders and a through the stem windlass and a pop-up nav light. Nice seating for the days out on the water when you're just trolling or just spending time with the family. Nice step up to get up to the bow. In-floor storage. It's a dedicated place for a 5-gallon bucket. Nice angle cooler. Note what Angle did here, the clips are recessed so they don't hit your leg. Nice attention to detail from Sailfish. Come on to the stern. Look at these wonderful LeBrock seats. Extremely comfortable. Just imagine taking a nice family run with those. Lots of comfort. Good luck staying awake. Here we are in the transom. You have a flip-up seat. It goes back down. For the skiers, telescopic ski pole, rod holders in the back here, freshwater, saltwater washdown, saltwater, hose goes right here, pliers and knives all right here, live well. This boat is equipped with twin 300 Mercuries. They are the Verados. I'm sorry, they are not the Verados.